It's me again, Cheryl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to try to make a Dalgona coffee. The ingredients of Dalgona coffee is just some instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. So here's the ingredients for the Dalgona coffee. You have sugar, milk, hot water, and instant coffee. So let's start to make our Dalgona coffee now. My procedure is 1:1. Use this one, it's 1 ml. It's much easier. So one of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 grams of instant coffee and 4 grams of sugar. 2, 3, 4. 4 grams of hot water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Set aside. Stir it hanggang sa matunaw po siya. Hanggang sa matunaw yung mga granules. You can whisk it. You can use the whisk. But it will take you 30 minutes until it gets thickened. So I suggest you use an electric mixer. This one po. Use this. It takes time to do it. That's why I suggest to use the electric mixer, because if you just use the whisk, it takes 30 minutes to finish. So, yeah. So, medyo sticky na po siya. Until hindi na po siya napuputol pag kinukuha nyo po. So, stir some more. ilalagay. Some more milk. Then you can add your Dalgona mixture. my Dalgona coffee. Finish na po siya. Comment down below po any suggestion. Kasi first time ko pong gumawa nito. Let's try. Hindi naman pala mapait. Akala ko dati mapait siya. Hindi naman, masarap naman siya.